Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EU Recovery Fund White Smoke at last. http ntvforex.com News ID 1755B5 7/21/2020 7:45 8 am. White smoke at last emerged from Brussels after the Marathon EU summit yielded a compromise on the next generation EU package. After tough negotiations, EU leaders agreed on a deal in the form of a Euro 750 billion recovery fund over 2021-2024 and Euro 1074.3 billion EU budget over 2021-2027. Below we summarize the key things to note from the agreement. Recovery Fund comprises of EUR 390 billion in grants plus EUR 360 billion in loans, 52-48% split. This constitutes a watered-down version in terms of the grant share of the earlier proposal in May, but in light of the stiff opposition of the frugal countries, the still sizable grant share should be seen as a positive, in our view. The money will be raised via the Commission issuing bonds with 330Y maturity on the financial markets on behalf of the EU. It will lend the proceeds to EU countries under the Recovery and Resilience Facility to finance their reform and resilience plans. Of the grants under the Recovery and Resilience Facility, 70% will be committed in 2021 and 2022 and 30% in 2023. The package includes an emergency brake that would allow any country to raise concerns that reform promises are not lived up to, which could lead to Brussels temporarily halting transfers. It is also planned that a weighted majority of EU governments can block payments to a country over rule of law violations. With a deal now in place, the final distribution among member states becomes key for markets. Some countries have criticized the original allocation key based on backward-looking measures of population, GDP per capita and unemployment. Currently it is planned that for 2023 allocations, the unemployment criterion will be replaced by the drop in GDP in 2020 and 2021. However, according to Bloomberg, Italy is likely to receive grants worth EUR 82 billion, which is actually in line with the initial proposal from May. As long as the Recovery Fund remains a temporary instrument, it is set to lead to higher EU budget contributions. To ease this burden, EU leaders agreed to a new EU plastic levy to be introduced in 2021 and a new digital levy and carbon adjustment measure are also under discussion for 2022. Revenues generated from these EU taxes will be used for early repayment of the new borrowing. MFF 2021-27 EU budget. Significant rebates for the frugal countries and Germany totaling Euro 52.8 billion have resulted in a smaller EU budget than originally proposed by the Commission in May, Euro 1.1 tr. The EU budget will complement the Recovery Fund, but its funds will be less tilted towards short-term economic revival and more towards future-proofing the EU economy, especially regarding the green transition and digitalization efforts. Download the full flash comment. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.